A good question. I will answer as a design consultant, indeed, in the sense that I come out of the industry after a lifetime. And today what I'm seeing through the subject of sustainability, it becomes a communication platform. In other words, I have clients that are overseas, and they're interested to know what the trends are in Europe, and vice versa. That's a very interesting fact. That means that the sustainability is a culture. It is a cultural aspect that will impact a lot the way we think about products. Not just the way we recycle products, but also the way we build products. And that concerns me very much on my everyday job, because designing with them means also debating on subjects that will dictate the design brief. And those things are very sensitive. They become ever more important. When you mean they balance, you mean how they handle, how they put together the design with sustainability? Is that the question?
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, we touched a little bit on the subject before on the panel. In reality, design is all about, unlike what people think, design is not about freedom of expression in the artistic terms. It's an expression of a synthesis of many factors. So when we talk about a major process, which is called sustainability, recyclability, those are not just autonomous items. They imply a vast ecosystem, and so I believe they impact the process. They create a new way of thinking, and it's a little bit today. We don't know what it's going to look like, but we know we have to change a lot of the steps that bring a complex product like an automobile, something like 15 to 30,000 parts, right, that they are produced around the world from companies from Fukushima all the way to Latin America, and they work cross-platform for every OEM, for every tier one supplier. All those are amazingly big consortiums that they will be impacted, and they will impact the process that we've been building for 100 years. It's a big deal. So two things as the conclusion was as well of our panel. Process is one of them, and the other one is communication, because not everyone understands it the same way. It's a very complex matter. So. I can describe you what I lived the past few hours. I don't know if I shared with you, but with some people close to me, I shared that I am changing my presentation every hour. Every speaker comes up, I said, I have to change this slide, and then I have to say this, I have to say that. So this is happening, not because I know the industry, but because I was not aware of this parallel world of PU. I think coexist in every stage of our development, considering also the supply network. And the interesting fact is to see this community and its own environment, and that is amazing. That's amazing. We're talking about one chemical formula that impacts the world we're living in enormously. All right, and it doesn't have form on its own, but we are the ones that will give it like shape, and we will make it car interiors or car exteriors, or you name it. So very interesting and a great discovery. Yeah?
We can expect you next year.
With great pleasure. Well, I will be honored. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you.